My wife was telling me, you got to go to the doctor, you have a son now. So I went, and it was an absolute bloodbath. It could have been deadly. And it was a wake-up call. My name's Jesse Sachnin. I am a special educator. I currently live in Harrisburg, which is a suburb of Charlotte. Originally from New York. I'm a Jets guy, I'm a Mets guy. My whole family's Yankees Giants, and I'm the black sheep of the family. You know what? My son is now a Mets Jets fan too, so it's kind of like a virus, right? You gotta just keep it going. But one day we're gonna win, and it's gonna be sweet. I promise you that. Best part about being a special educator is that a lot of the students I have, they don't want to be at school. They don't want to listen to a teacher. But for me, I have a chance every day, and it's like I'm being on stage and I'm on. And to be honest, that's when I feel like most alive, is when I'm on for my students. And every single day, I crush it up there for those kids. You know, how do I have enough energy to be on for them and on at home so I could be a father, a husband, as well as taking care of myself. And for a while, I wasn't doing that. I was not taking care of myself. Growing up was interesting. My parents divorced when I was 4 years old. My mother was working 3 jobs for me and my brother just to keep us in the same house. She didn't want to uproot us. It was not easy, for sure. But, you know, my mother, she's a strong woman, and she kept us together. My dad wasn't always around. You know, he was a drug dealer, he was an addict, he was in a homeless shelter. There was times I'd go to his house in a rough part of New York called Mount Vernon, and he'd leave in the middle of the night, and I'll never forget walking out the door. It must have been around midnight, and a police officer was walking down, and my dad went missing. And I think the life that I grew up in, I can't do that for my son. I have to give him what I never got. And I don't take that lightly. That gives me reason to wake up every single day. I had to make a lot of changes in my life, and that started February 4th. I'll never forget it. My wife was telling me, you got to go to the doctor, you have a son now. So I went. First time I went to a doctor in 20 years. And it was not pretty. It was an absolute bloodbath. And I got a blood test, and they called me back within hours. And they said my triglycerides were well over 500. And what happens is pancreatitis, heart disease, stroke. I was in the severe risk. It could have been deadly. And it was a wake-up call. And as soon as I saw that, and I saw that I could die and not be there for my wife or my son when I got those test results back, everything flipped. From that day on, I started running, I started hiking, I took out sugar and carbs Monday through Friday. But immediately that first month, I dropped 10 pounds. And when I found True Classic this year, that's where kind of everything changed as far as the confidence, you know, that external confidence. When I first tried on True Classic, I had to show my wife immediately. And I said, babe, check this out. I look good. I look real good. True Classic brings an identity that you might have not known you had in you. I had nothing that fit my body until I found True Classic. When you find something that fits, you show up differently. Whether it's at work, whether it's with your family, it's everything. Every day I wake up is an opportunity to give my son what I didn't have. I'm an incredible father, and that gives me so much power. But the fact that I could be on for my students and on for my family, and for me, being able to be the best version of myself for my son, unreal. It's a feeling I can't describe. Who am I now that I wasn't before? I'm confident. I look good. I feel good. I'm in round 1 of a 12-round fight in this life. And let me tell you, I'm winning, and I got a lot left in the tank. And I'm gonna keep going.